Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm here to talk about some Kylie cosmetics and some goodies that I did recently pick up a few weeks ago. So if you guys would like to see that, then please stay tuned. Alright, so a few weeks ago I did pick up the Kylie Blue Honey palette, and I absolutely love this. It's what I have in my eyes right now. Love, love, love this palette. So it did make me want to take and try some other Kylie products. So I did pick up the Kylie the Purple palette. And I like it. This one has a mirror. I don't know why she didn't put a mirror on the Blue Honey, but I absolutely love this. You guys know I've been trying to get into more colors lately, and you can see I kind of made a mess of mine already. But I've used this so far about 3 times. I'm going to be doing a tutorial using this. If you'd like to see that, definitely give this video a thumbs up. I love this. I think the pigment on this is spot on. I'm not sure which one I like better. I think the formula is pretty similar. At least I think. I'm not sure. I don't know. But either way, I really, really like the formula in both of these. These shimmers, oh, they're so beautiful. I really love her shimmers. Her mattes, they're all extremely pigmented, and the purples came out exactly on pan as in my eye. So, and I do love the mirror as well. The other thing I picked up is the concealer. This is in the shade Pearl. It's the lightest shade available. And it has that cool top where you start to undo it, and then it'll just kind of pop open. I've been using this concealer every day since I got it now. I have this on right now. I can definitely do a full thorough review on this, which I am going to be doing on its own separate video. But I also did a ColourPop haul as well, so I'd like to take and do a little bit of a comparison. I know a lot of people have been doing that, so I would love to do that. I have yet to try my ColourPop one, because I've been loving this concealer so much. I'm definitely going to end up using this whole thing. I love the color. It's really, really brightening, and it's just so beautiful. I think it's just so nice, and it actually gives me like a nice brightening effect and covering effect. So far, this has actually been amazing. It's pretty easy open lid. I think the only complaint that some people may have, I don't care, but because it's such a little handle, and if people have the fake nails, I know people like complain about weird little things like that, not in a rude way, but just pointing it out, where if you're one of those people who don't really like, maybe like little things like that to hold on to, then that might not be for you. But I really like this little, it's like a doe foot, but it's flat and it's like really flexible. Really love it. So far, oh god, so amazing. Pretty much almost giving this a review in this video. But the purple palette, again, so pretty. Been loving this. Gonna do a look with this. Let me know down below if you guys want to see more bright, fun look, a smoky look, what you guys want to see. Definitely let me know. And again, I do have swatches, review, as well as a tutorial up of the Blue Honey, and again, that is what I have on my eyes today. But don't you guys agree that it would be cuter if this one had a mirror like that? Just like as a side thing. Like, I think they're the same size pretty much, right? Yeah, they're pretty much the same size. I think the purple one's just like literally like a millimeter or two bigger, but they feel beautiful. Wait, is the purple one? No, the Blue Honey one's like a millimeter or two bigger, but they're both beautiful. I'm actually really loving her stuff. I'm kind of contemplating on getting one of her Storm palettes. I think it was not the Eye of the Storm, but the other one where it looks more pastel. I really want to kind of try that one, but I think I might wait to see some reviews and kind of see. But definitely I'm loving this so far, but I did want to come on here and show you guys the goodies, because I said I would update you guys on some Kylie stuff. I'll definitely be doing a review video up soon of the concealer, as well as the purple palette and swatches, all that as well. So definitely let me know down below if you guys are interested in all that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.